Hi, ladies and gentlemen. It is a great honor for us to be here today at the 9th International Conference on Informatics and Computing, or ICIC, on 24-25 October 2024, to present our research title Model Regularized Kelahe CNN for the Traditional Script Character of Kaganga Bengkulu Recognition. My name is Erwin Dwi Kaputra, and I'm joined by my esteemed colleagues Ermatita and Abdiansa. We are from the doctoral program in engineering and the Faculty of Computer Science at Universitas Sriwijaya Palembang, Indonesia. In this presentation, we will discuss a novel approach to recognition character from the Kaganga script of Bengkulu, a traditional script that is part of Indonesia's rich cultural heritage. Our research combines contrast limited adaptive histogram equalization or CLAHE with convolution neural network or CNN, employing regularization technique to enhance the accuracy and reliability of character recognition. Thank you for your attention, and we look forward to sharing our finding with you here at ICIC 2024. The model regularized Clahe CNN for the traditional script character of Kaganga Bengkulu recognition. Introduction. The script found in Indonesia has a variety of media and stationery such as relics carved on stone, wood, animal horns, gold plates, and copper and silver. Also wood, relics that have been formed like a manuscript with palm leaf and bamboo. There are many varieties of characters in Indonesia, the most famous of which are the Ulu script and the Jawi script. One type of Ulu script is Kaganga or Kaganga, which until now is still used by the people of Rejang in Bengkulu province. In Bengkulu province, there are still a small number of schools that incorporate regional script learning into the curriculum for local content subject. Therefore, the presentation of Kaganga script culture is needed with the introduction of Kaganga script so that all circle can understand it. Image processing and deep learning technique can be one way to introduce and preserve the culture of Kaganga script recognition. Digital image processing technology is useful to help humans recognize and classify many objects simultaneously. Research methodology. The purpose of this study is to create a combination model of regularized Clahe CNN for character recognition of Kaganga character obtained from handwriting adapted from the Clahe method, which still has the disadvantage of adding contrast characteristic values and will be optimized using regularization function to calculate overfitting. The regularized Clahe CNN proposal can be seen in Figure 1. Research methodology 2. Based on the research diagram, we use the Clahe to recalculate the contrast value of the image, which is the fulcrum of the threshold value of each pattern. The deep learning architecture uses the CNN method model with a regularization technique to prevent overfitting. Clahe. This method improves the visual feature records for distinguishing the character is the Kaganga script by breaking the image into multiple tiny blocks or tiles and performing histogram equalization locally to each block. The Kaganga script from Bengkulu character image can be significantly improved in contrast by applying Clahe, which increase the visibility of fine character feature. According to the unique properties of the old Kaganga script image being processed, Clahe produce better and more adaptive outcomes by reducing noise and enhancing details in regions with bright lighting. Regular Rise CNN. L1 regularization penalizes more significant coefficient, which promotes weight distribution and stability. But L2 regulation penalizes smaller coefficient, which may result in sparse solution and improve interpretability. Dataset. The collected datasets are divided into test, valid, and training data. To acquire primary data for the Kaganga script, 15 respondents were involved. Each respondent was requested to write a Kaganga script on the profile paper. The dataset include 1,115 images in the JPG format, each measuring 500 pixel by 500 pixel. The augmentation is carried out after data collection. The purpose of this stage is to produce a better amount data. Result and discussion. The CNN model used for this experiment is a sequential model. Several models using various regularization strategies were assessed in the classification of dataset for the traditional script character of Kaganga Bengkulu, CNN with L1 and L2 regularization, CNN with dropout, and Klahe CNN with L2 regularization. Research and discussion 2. The CNN accuracy, precision, and recall with L1 regularization were 92.11%, 77.15%, and 88% respectively. On the other hand, the CNN that use L2 regularization demonstrate a maximum accuracy of 100% with 86.335% precision and 80.12% recall. Result and discussion 3. The CNN dropout demonstrate great accuracy and precision despite missing some partition intents, yielding an accuracy of 98.75%, precision of 86.250%, and recall of 78.88%. In conclusion, the Klahe CNN with L2 regularization achieve a 100% accuracy rate, 85% precision, and 85.725% recall. Result and discussion 4. Based on experiment, Klahe CNN with L2 is the best combination of model to classify data of Kaganga script image. Klahe CNN with L2 experiment were obtained to have precision recall and F1 score for all cases. Research and discussion. Experiments are conducted to determine the model's performance and calculate the average accurate value. From the experimental result, it will be found that accuracy during the training state gets a value of 100% accuracy. During the validation state gets a value of 85%. And accuracy during the testing stage gets a value of 80.75%. The accuracy and loss are accounted for a total of 15 epoch. The first dense layer consists of 497 neurons with ReLU activation function. The second dense layer consists of 172 neurons with ReLU activation function. Conclusion. This study aims to develop a combination model of regularized Klahe CNN for character recognition of handwriting Kaganga characters. This study will evaluate is using an accuracy measuring model precision and recall, which is including into the confusion metric measuring model. The experiment for every model counted 50 epoch to find the best accuracy. Dataset include 1,150 images in the JPG format with 500 pixel by 500 pixel that is divided into 23 class of data. In this research, we conducted 4 experiment evaluation for testing data, including CNN with L1 obtained 78.88% of accuracy, CNN with L2 obtained 80.12% of accuracy. CNN with dropout obtained 78.88% of accuracy, and the Clahe CNN with L2 obtained 80.75% of accuracy. From the experimental result, Clahe CNN with L2 obtained the best accuracy with accuracy in training stage, obtained a value of 100%. Accuracy in validation state obtained a value of 85%, and accuracy is testing state obtained a value of 80.75%. Thank you for watching.